Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy Nutella soufflé. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of Nutella, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, prepare 2 6-ounce ramekins by buttering and sugaring them thoroughly. This helps the soufflé rise beautifully. Now, let's get our batter ready. Carefully separate your 3 egg whites into a very clean, dry bowl. In another bowl, combine the 3 egg yolks with the 1/4 cup of Nutella. Whisk these together until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. This creates a rich, chocolatey base for our soufflé. The key to a light soufflé is the egg whites. Whip your 3 egg whites until they form stiff, glossy peaks. They should hold their shape when you lift the whisk. Now, gently fold about 1/3 of these whipped whites into your Nutella and yolk mixture. Then, carefully fold in the remaining egg whites in 2 additions, being careful not to deflate the mixture. This keeps it airy. Finally, it's time to bake. Divide your light and airy soufflé batter evenly between the 2 prepared 6-ounce ramekins. Place them in your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully puffed and golden brown. Serve your delicious Nutella soufflés immediately, perhaps with a light dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.